So this is the voice of Teacher Onga, the founder of Money Literate Academy. So this is one of my students who joined my mini importation class some time ago. Yes, and then she has started importing. See what she has imported, and she's selling. She's making good money. Kadi is making good money with her importation. So today I decided to comment on her status. So I commented that that she does her importation herself. So you can see you always import yourself. She said yes, dear. After your class, I said good. She even showed me some of her some of the products she bought. She sent me screenshot of some of the products she bought, so you can see she bought and paid by herself after joining my mini importation masterclass. Yes, so she even sell RMB and she's making a lot of profit. So if you are in this group and you haven't joined yet, I'm very sorry for you. Join us, learn this mini importation, and then you are also going to make so much money importing, selling, doing pre-orders. You can even sell RMB and make profits. You can do pre-order. You can do procurement for people. Yes. So if you have not joined this masterclass, I think you are doing yourself